channel, The Real Lizette TV, and for today we're gonna do another unboxing. So I have had this for more than a week now, but I haven't had the chance to do the unboxing because of work. So start na natin. So ito siya. So I guess meron kayong idea kung ano yung nasa loob. So start na tayo. Okay, before we do the unboxing, my plan was to get the iPad Pro 2020 edition, but it's not yet available in the market because of the pandemic. It was released in the States on March of this year, and supposedly after 3 months they were supposed to distribute it, but yun nga, since may pandemic, walang flight, so hindi siya na-deliver. So this is what I got instead. I got the iPhone 11 Pro in midnight green. So start na tayo. And shout out pala kay Geraldine ng powermac, the loop, Ayala 30th, kasi sobrang bait niya, tsaka yung customer service approach na talaga, wala akong masabi. Sobrang she walked an extra mile for finding us the iMac. That was same time when we got this. So what comes in the box is, of course, the iPhone. So yan siya, midnight green. I got the 256 gigabyte of memory, and it comes with the earphones, not the AirPods though. And then what's new about the package is it now comes with a USB-C, so it's a Type-C adapter. And then the Apple logo stickers, the pen for the SIM card, and I got 2 other things from iMac. I got the phone case. So this it's a glittery one. Syempre girly and cute siya, diba? We'll try it on later for the phone. And then the midnight green that has a camera protector. So yeah, cute siya. I got the 256 gigabyte of memory because, as you know, iPhone does not offer expansion for the memory. So ayan. Cute ba, guys? Ayan. So just a short comparison between iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. iPhone 11 does not come with the ultra wide lens, but for 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max, they're actually the same when it comes to the specs, except for the height and the weight of the phone. So lahat pareho lang sila. Kung ano yung meron yung camera ng Pro, ganun din siya sa Pro Max. So I got this because it's smaller. I could text using only one hand since my hands are small. I mean, I have smaller hands than, you know, most of us. And then yun, hindi siya masyadong malaki compared to the iPhone 7. And prior to this, I'm using Samsung Note 8. So malaki siya yung screen, so medyo feeling ko ngayon maliit itong iPhone 11, but okay. So guys, I hope you liked my video or the unboxing, and please do comment, hit like, and subscribe. Bye!